Hi, this is Mr. Rego, and this is how to graph a linear equation. As we can see, we have 0 equals 2x plus 4 plus 40 plus 10y. When we graph in, the method that we're going to use right now is called slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form, which is basically writing the equation y equals mx plus b. Alright, that's the whole idea. So, therefore, I need to leave the y by itself right here. Okay, I need to leave the y by itself. I have to cancel whatever's with the y. First thing you cancel is the 2x and the 40. That 10 is multiplying the y, so that's your last step. You have to divide at the end. Okay, so let's start by canceling the 2x. Whatever you do on one side, you do on the other side of the equal sign. Alright, here's the equal sign. So I work on the right and I work on the left. 0 minus 2x is going to give me negative 2x. 2x minus 2x cancels out. I bring down the 40 plus 10y. Okay, next cancel the 40. So minus 40 minus 40. Alright, on both sides of the equal sign. That's going to give me negative 2x minus 40 equals, these 40's cancel out, and I have 10y. Okay, the last step, like I said before, is dividing by 10. You divide by 10 every single one of the terms. Okay, so it's going to give me negative 2x divided by 10. I simplify that and I do half here, half on the bottom, and it'll give me negative 1x over 5. And negative 40 divided by 10 is going to give me, is going to give me negative 4. Okay, and that's equal to y. Alright, let me just flip basically. Y equals negative 1 over 5x minus 4. So that's the slope-intercept form. If you notice, it's the same form that I have here. Okay? Now, quick thing. Whatever's in front of the x is going to be your slope. M stands for slope. So in my case, let me move this a little bit so I can... Okay. I guess not. My slope is the number that is in front of the x, which is negative 1 over 5. Okay, so that's going to be my slope. Let me write it down underneath over here. My slope is negative 1 over 5. The b, this is your y-intercept. Okay, so in my case, the y-intercept is going to be equal to negative 4. Okay, because that's whatever you have after the x. If there's nothing there, then you have a 0. Now once I have my slope and my y-intercept, it's time to graph. Okay, so now I brought over here, I have my equation, which is y equals negative 1/5 over x minus 4. From there I got my slope, whatever is in front of the x. After that, that's my y-intercept. When I'm plotting, the first thing I do is I plot the y-intercept, which is negative 4. Y-intercept means I have to go to my y-axis, my y-axis, and I go where the y is equal to negative 4, which is right here. So that's your y-intercept, okay? Y-intercept, right over there. Now, next thing is I have my slope. Negative 1 over 5. The slope is rise over run, which is negative 1 over 5. So your rise is negative 1. Rise is vertical movement. Rise means, oh my god, these letters are horrible. Okay, rise over run. Rise is vertical. Okay, run is horizontal movement. Okay, So just in case. So if my vertical movement is -1, that means I'm going to go move down. If my horizontal movement is 5, that means I'm going to move to the right. Okay? And let me do that in different colors so we understand that. Very important. Vertical movement is -1. If it's -1, vertical movement means I'm going to move down. Okay? Now, horizontal movement is 5. Horizontal is positive. That means I'm going to move to the right. So, where do I start? I go to my y-intercept. I'm here. And then I go right, -1. So I will be going down one step. And then the run is 5. Horizontally, I go to the right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here will be my second point, which is -1. Okay, so what way I did it is I went -1, I went down one step, and then 5 to the right, and that's your second point. Once you have your second point, you just draw a straight line through them, and that's your line. Let me erase the previous one so people don't get confused with this. Okay, so I have my 2 points. Now I draw my line, and let's try to draw a straight line, and that will be the graph of the line. Okay, let me erase everything else, so maybe I'll try, but I can't. The software. Okay, so again, this is the line connecting the 2 points, and that's the graph of the linear equation. Have a great day. I'll do more videos. Bye. One thing before we go, remember to draw arrows at the end of the line. Remember, those lines keep going to the right and keep going to the left. So you need to draw those arrows to make sure that you're showing that they keep going, okay?